how to buy RabitiAI token. So this token came under the symbol of RIAI. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by the stock, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. If you click on their website, you will be able to see this page here. Just click on their website and you will be able to redirect you to pre-sale page that they have on their website. So as you can see, now first of all, connect your wallet. What you have to do is just connect here. Select your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. Click on connect. Now after that, what you need to do, select the pay with the USDT, for example, and here as you can see, total receive and purchase post. Here you will be able to type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive of that token, or you can just set here how much you want of percentage that you will buy from that USDT you have on your wallet. So after that, click on buy and you will be able to complete the buy process on your wallet. So because I don't have any balance on my wallet, so for you, just the pop-up will be appear here on your wallet, and after that, complete the purchase. So this is how to buy the RabitiAI token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.